Hello, how are you doing? I'm hoping that you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. In case you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kinyua and you should definitely consider subscribing. And guys, I'm starting this video on around Wednesday or Thursday. Today is on a Thursday. I'm starting this video on a Thursday and I'm from my morning run. Yes, I started running in 2022. I've been sharing some of that on my Instagram page. And you should follow me if you're not following me. My name is Terry Kinyua on Instagram. I will link the link on the description box below. And I want to get ready for shooting today's video. I haven't even drawn the curtains. So I want to draw the curtains, take a shower, get ready and to shoot today's video. Today's video is more of cleaning products that have worked for me in 2021 and cleaning products that I have gotten that I don't think there is any that I haven't tried yet. I'm going to show you all my cleaning products, what have worked for me, products that I would really recommend, like one product that has been magic. Like I don't think I can survive without it anymore. So that is what I will be sharing. So I will draw the curtains, take a shower, get ready. Maybe I will do some of that with you and then we will shoot today's video. I'm planning on shooting it in my bedroom because I have guests in the living room. That is how consistent I plan on being this year. Yani, I'm shooting a video with guests in the house, in the bedroom. Who have I become? Anyway, let's do that and then I will see you later. So let's do it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
For my face, I'll be using the Nivea Ocean Alga face wash, and for my body, I'll be using one of my favorite shower gels. You know this if you follow me on Instagram. That is Blue King body wash with olive oil essence.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Done showering, I will be showing you all the products that I will be using on my body and on my face. I won't be mentioning any of them, but they are very visible from the screen.
Can make me move. Can make me so alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight,
couple of hours. I had to wait for guys who are mowing grass to finish doing that, and they obviously took their sweet time. But what is important is that we are here now, and I want to finish shooting this video so that I can go give attention to my guest. And I think I will dive right into the video. If you see me looking here, it's because I have placed my products here, and the products that I'm going to be showing you are products that I was using last year. Some I bought towards the end of last year, but they are products that I have used, so you can trust that they are tried and tested. But I haven't experimented with a lot of products, so if you have better products, kindly let me know and let us know on the comment section below. And I think I will just get right into it without any order. I think I should have divided them into products that I use in the bathroom, that I use in the kitchen, that I use in the living room, but because I didn't do that, I'm just going to be showing you the product and maybe tell you where I use it. And I don't remember the prices, so don't expect that information from me. And I will just start in no order. And the first one is this one. I love using Vim for my sinks, especially the kitchen sink. Works like magic. And I love anything lavender, so I bought it in lavender. Bathroom floors, kitchen sink, I use this one. And the second product is Bleach. I think I trust this product because it has been there ever since we were young, and it really does work. So actually I call all bleaches Jik. Like if I send my husband to go buy me bleach, I will tell him, please buy me some Jik. So Bleach, I use Jik. And then to clean my kitchen cooker, I use CIF. I love this product. I really do. And I also use it to clean greasy surfaces. And the next one is this one, Astonish Extra Strength Cleaner with Bleach. Obviously, I use it in the bathroom. I learned about this product through Magimwende. That lady has saved my home. She really has saved my home. Another product that I wish I discovered earlier is this one, Cerazo Tile Cleaner from LX Products. I have used it to clean my laundry area. This is one of the products that I got towards the end of last year. Works like magic. Actually, I haven't used it to clean my bathroom tiles because I want to do that with you, so expect that video. But it worked like magic. It worked like magic on my laundry area. I love it. And then Vinegar. I have put Vinegar here in the list of cleaning products because I use it to clean my fruits and my vegetables when I don't have a fruits and veggie cleaner. Actually, I only buy veggie and fruit cleaners when they are on sale. If they are not, I don't. I use Vinegar and it works well. This is one of the products that I wish I discovered earlier. This product is magic. I have very sensitive hands. Like, some stuffs form on here. I am hoping that you know what I mean. I don't have a word for it, but some soaps affect my skin, especially between my fingers, and it becomes really bad. But this one, I haven't had that problem with it. Another thing, this product is inexpensive, and a little goes a long way. And bearing in mind that we live in an apartment that has extremely salty water, this product is it. This one is it, and nobody can tell me otherwise. Another product is this one, Astonish Bathroom Cleaner, Fresh Breeze Bathroom Cleaner. This one removes soap scum, watermarks, and lime scale. I love using this one on my shower. The shower, whatever, the shower head and the stand, I love using this one. And then I have another product, Blue Touch Bathroom Cleaner. I love using this one when I am like cleaning, when I don't have a lot of cleaning to do. This one works well. Another product that I discovered through Magimwende is this toilet cleaner, and I don't think I'm going back. This one has been awesome L-Sept toilet cleaner, and then Blue Touch oven cleaner. I use this one, but I don't usually use it, but it's a nice one. I love the CIF one, but this time when I was doing my shopping, I didn't get that, so I got the Blue Touch one, and because I had used it another time and it was nice, I got it. But I love using the CIF one. And then L-Sept air freshener. These ones, discovered them via Maggie, and I love the tropical scent. Smells amazing. I love them. And another thing, they are antibacterial. I don't think there is another company that creates antibacterial air freshener, so I got these ones. Another product is the taco drain cleaner from LX Products, and this one is magic, you guys. This one is amazing, and I have used it on my bathroom drains. My bathrooms used to emanate a funny smell from the drains, but ever since I started using it, that smell has gone completely. So amazing. I'm also planning on using it on the kitchen sink, though I don't have a problem with that because I usually pour hot water in that one and bleach. But for the bathroom drains, this one works like magic. We don't have that smell anymore. I love it. I really do love it. Another bathroom cleaner. Most of the cleaners here seem to be for the bathroom. Another bathroom cleaner, Magni. This one I love using it when I am light cleaning the bathroom as well. Then I have this one, Magni multi-purpose cleaner. I love using it on the kitchen surfaces, for my table, windows. Sometimes I use it to clean the windows as well. It's multi-purpose and I love that about it. And then for my dishes, I use this Safisha, mostly because it's mostly on sale. It's mostly discounted, and also it's inexpensive, and it works okay for me. I love it. But if the pandishas the bay, I might hammer. Then Downy, I love using the vanilla and cashmere mask, but I also love the one that comes in a purple container. So yeah, and then the last product, we are done. The last product is this one, the Sufficient Glass Tiles and Window Cleaner. Yeah, for that purpose, for window, for my mirrors, for anything glass, I use this one, and that is it. I don't even have a lot of cleaning products, so I think I will return them to where they were. We will arrange them where I put them. I mostly put them apart from the ones that I use in the kitchen, and then we will call it a video. So let's go do that.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
That's it about this video. That is where I keep most of my cleaning products. Some go in the kitchen under the sink. I will show you that someday, but mostly what I keep in the kitchen is what I use in the kitchen. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video. Also suggest other dope cleaning products for us on the comment section below, and I think I will see you on my next video, which might be a cleaning video, but I am interested to know the kind of video you want next. So tell me that on the comment section below. So I will see you on my next one. Bye, and thank you for watching this one. Bye.